Good. All right, so today, remember, your eyes are up here. We are going to be doing a little experiment, okay? I have 3 things, like I said, 7-Up soda, same thing. Who knows what this is? Raise your hand. Ari?
A big plastic cup.
Big plastic cup, nothing in it, no magic, nothing special. And then I have cranberries. Raise your hand if you know what cranberries are or what a cranberry is. Lucas?
It's something just.
It's fine.
It's something just like a.
So video.
It's something just like a Raisins.
Yes, good. It's just like a raisin. Raisin is a dried up grape, and cranberry is just dried fruit as well. So, cranberry, okay? I'm going to fill the cup with my 7-Up or my Sprite, okay?
That's your Sprite.
Just bought it out of the vending machine.
Where's the vending machine? I never knew we had a vending machine.
Thomas. All right, then I'm going to put in a couple raisins. I'm just going to drop them in.
Oh. Now that would be gross to drink.
Yeah.
All right, what do you see? What's happening to the raisins? Raise your hand.
Oh, wow.
Ari, what's happening?
They're going down, and 2 of them, well, they're going
Oh, okay, so Ari said they're going down, and then she
I
said,
think the bubbles all came
well, now
up.
they're going up. Lucas?
Some of the soda just came down.
What do you see, guys? Rhiannon, what do you see?
Oh, that's going up and down.
They're going
down,
up and down, up and down. Yes, Lucas.
They're all bubbly.
Oh, they're bubbly. I like that. What else do you see, Narmeen?
There's lots of water. It's almost filled.
Oh, now is this water? What is this?
Right.
Sprite. There's lots of Sprite. How many are up at the top? Is there a lot, or are there more at the top, or is there more at the bottom? Shane?
There's more at the bottom, and they suck up the Sprite.
Okay, so Shane thinks they're sucking up the Sprite. Who else has an idea about how they're moving? We like to call them dancing because they're moving up and down. Who has an idea about how they're dancing around? Cassidy?
Well, it's because of the bubbles in the Sprite. The bubbles are pushing the cranberries up since the cranberries are very light.
Are the cranberries are very light? Okay, so Cassidy says these bubbles are pushing them up. Now, I think you're on the right track, but guess what? The bubbles aren't pushing them, okay? Because the bubbles aren't under them. Who would like to come up and take a closer look so they can tell the rest of the class, where are the bubbles next to the cranberries? Are they under them? On top? Where are they? All right. Who's sitting the right way? Now we're good. Bradley, come on up. Get a close look this way so everyone can see you. Where are those bubbles?
On top of it.
Okay, so he says there's some on top. So can we push on top and it go
No.
up?
No.
Okay, so they're on top. Where else are they? Let's get another person to come up and check it out. Ariana. Bradley said they're on top. Where else do you see them?
They're like all over the place.
They're like all over the place. What are the bubbles doing to the cranberries? They're not pushing on them. What are the bubbles doing? Think about when you get in a bathtub and the bubbles on you too. What are they doing? Rhiannon?
They're just like unpopping.
Oh, where are they unpopping? Some of them are popping.
They're popping on the raisins, and some aren't on the raisins. So they're probably popping.
Okay, watch this one. It's going up. And now it went back down. Why did it come up? And then it went back down. Because these are staying at the top. So why did that one go back down? Lucas, what do you think?
It's probably because the bubbles pulled it up and then it pulled it down.
So I like how you said the bubbles pull it up. Because bubbles we know are what? Are bubbles heavy?
No,
What are bubbles made out of?
Air.
Air. So they're full of air, and these bubbles are on our cranberries and they're popping up. But I don't think the bubbles are pulling them down. You're right, the bubbles are carrying
Pushing
them up.
them down.
What happens at the top that makes a cranberry come back down? What happens at the very top? Because I see more bubbles going up without the cranberries. What happens at the top that makes them come back down? Cassidy?
It's a dead end.
It's a dead end. They have nowhere else to go. But see how these are staying, but then some of them go back down. Why do some of them go back down? You're right. I touched that one. But if you watch, another one will probably come back up and then pop. And then stop at the top. And then it goes back down. What happens at the top?
Let's go right on.
Oh, see? It's thinking about it. What happens to make it come back down? Rhiannon?
It's going back on.
The bubbles are picking it up, but when they catch the air pops the bubbles, and that's what's making it fall down.
You are so right. Did you hear what Rhiannon said? She said the bubbles get on them, and I'm going to let you all do this too, as long as you're working hard. The bubbles get on them at the bottom. Okay, they attach to the cranberries. Okay, they like get next to it. And then with all these bubbles, Cassidy said the cranberries get lighter. So they float to the top. And then Rhiannon said at the top, some of the bubbles start to pop off.
Because the air's pushing it, and the bubbles can't pop near it.
Right, and so when it reaches the top, the bubbles keep going up, right? And so they pop when they hit the top of the water. And the cranberry becomes heavier, right? It goes back to its regular, it's heavy, and so it goes back down. What happens if I swish the cup around? What do you think might happen?
I don't know.
Detrell, what do you think? You think these cranberries are going to go down, or they're going to go up if I swish it around? Let's see what happens. Ready? Anything different?
Oh, it's like a tornado.
Ooh, what's happening now? I had one cranberry at the top. Lucas, what happened now?
It made a tornado and it pushed them all up.
Did you see more bubbles?
It's still turning.
Detrell, did you see more bubbles? Yes. All right. Miss Mona, if you'll push stop right there.